Hello everyone, welcome to Coders Daily. In this particular video, we are going to solve another HackerRank C programming question known as printing tokens. So let's get into the problem statement. The problem statement says that we need to take a input string, right? Like this. This is C. This is our input string, or maybe let's just say I write a new string. My name is Radul, right? The output which we need to generate is something like this. My name is Radul, right? So what it says is wherever we find any space character, we need to replace it with a new line character, right? So whenever we replace the space with a new line, what will our new string look like? It will look like a word by word generated output in a new line. All right, so let's jump into the problem statement. I just wanted to make you clear about what is already written over here in this particular code which HackerRank has given us. This is very important because most of the time we ignore all this pre-written codes, but this helps us in generating a lot of information when we have to do this in our interview, or maybe like when you appear for any kind of coding interview, you need to write this code by yourself, right? So I'll just explain you each line one by one, and let's move, right? So first of all, what is character star s, right? So this is a pointer which stores the input string. So the string which will get in the input will store it inside star s. This is a pointer. Then s is allocated with a dynamic memory of 1024 bytes over here. All right, after that we are taking the string as an input, but this particular part, what it does says is that we don't have to take any new line as an input, right? So we just have to take one single sentence as an input. If you find any character as slash n backslash n, will not take it as an input. Thirdly, what we are doing is we are realloc, right? What does this function does is, let's just say you have allocated 1024 bytes to store the string, but your string only takes 500 bytes of memory, right? So it will reallocate the remaining memory to the computer, to the system, right? So it is just allowing us to use only the memory which we need to store that particular string, right? Now let's move forward with creation of this logic, right? So I'll just start from here. What I'll do is I'll create a for loop, right, which will run over the character c, right? So I'll just write for character star c equals to s, right? So I'm storing the string s in a pointer called c. What I'm saying is that c, the loop should run until and unless c is not equals to null and c plus plus. All right. I have just missed this colon, everything is fine, right? Now what I'll do is I'll write a condition that if we find any character which is equals to a space, right, we'll replace that with a new line character, right? So star c would become slash n, right? And finally, what we'll do is after this loop is completed, what we'll do is we'll just print off the newly generated c, right? So I'll just write percentage s because it is a string and s. All right. Okay. So this is what is our code looking like. All right. What I'll do is I'll just try to run this code once and see if it is working correctly, and then we can move forward. Again, printf. I do this mistake a lot because I work on Python too. So over there, instead of printf, you need to write print. So this is what is we are getting as an output, which is exactly correct. I'll just submit my code and all the test cases are passing. All right. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please do like, subscribe, and share this video.